Hello everyone, this is Sayed Asfar. In this video, we will learn how to upload a WordPress site into your personal hosting. So, at first, we need to go to our WordPress website, which we have created in last videos in our local directory. So, we will go to our XAMPP directory of WordPress. Okay. So here's my WordPress files in this WordPress folder. Okay, so I need to make a zip file of those files so I can upload a single file instead of multiple files. So here you can see. Okay, so the zip file is creating right now. Okay, so we need a hosting for the WordPress website. If you have a hosting, I recommend you guys to purchase a cPanel hosting because it's a PHP website and cPanel is best for PHP websites. It's very user friendly. You can configure multiple modules and make things work pretty fine over there. So then meantime as zip is creating, let me show you my hosting account. Okay, so this is my hosting account. There are two sections we will be needing to upload a WordPress website. First section is file section and the second section is databases. So we need we need to create a database for our WordPress website. Okay, we will go to MySQL databases. Here I will create a database for WordPress. This is the first step of database creation, to create a database. Okay, so our database is created. You can go back. Now we have to create a WordPress database user. So again we are creating a user after database. I will type my password. You can customize it with respect to your needs. And this is my WordPress user. First we create a database and then we create database user. Now we have to give the rights of that user to the database. This is my WordPress user and this is my WordPress database. So our SQL file will be uploading. Here you can see the progress bar. It's uploading. So our zip file is also uploading. So here our database is imported. Okay, so we got the tables created after import procedure. Now we have to do some changes in our WP options table. Here we need to change the site URL and home URL values to our existing WordPress hosting domain. So in my scenario, my domain is preview.codeino.com/WordPress. So this is my site URL. This value will be the domain name of the hosting. If you are uploading your website to abc.com, so you will put the value here as abc.com. But in my scenario, I have a domain name .preview.codeino.com /WordPress. So my site URL and home URL will be the same. Okay, so I set the values in WP options, and my zip file is set to upload. So I need to extract this zip file. It's extracted successfully. So I need to delete that zip file only. Now I have to make a connection to the database I have imported here. So WordPress, in WordPress we have the connection settings in wp-config file. We need to edit that. So here is your database name. In my scenario, the database name is changed. Okay, so first I set my username. This is my username. When I create my database, I set the username to preview WordPress, and my database name is whole WordPress, and the password is, I set the password. You can type your respective password here.